If you're publishing on Amazon KDP, you'll need to verify your identity before you can start earning royalties. Here's a step-by-step guide to successfully completing your identity verification. Step 1 is to log into your KDP account. Go to KDP Amazon, which is sign in using your Amazon credentials, and click your account. Navigate to your identity. Step 2 is to enter a review your personal information. Make sure your name, address, and date birth match exactly with your government-issued ID. If necessary, update your information and click Save. Click Verify Identity. Step 3 is to upload your government-issued ID. Amazon KDP requires a valid government-issued ID for verification. Just simply select the ID type like passport, driver's license, or national ID. Choose the country that issued your ID. Upload clear, high-quality photos of your ID like front and back if required, and then submit for verification. Just a simple tip, use a mobile device for easy photo uploads. Step 4 is to wait for verification. Amazon will process your verification in a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take up to 24 hours. You'll receive an email notifications once the process is complete. Now the question is, what happens if verification fails? Incorrect or blurry ID photos ensures your ID is clear and eligible. Name and mismatch. Your Amazon KDP name must match your legal name on your ID. Expired ID. Use a valid, unexpired government-issued ID. If your verification fails, resubmit with correct details and clear photos. What happens if you don't verify? You won't be able to publish or receive the royalties on the KDP, and your account may be restricted or closed. If your ID has recently changed, update your details before submitting your verification. That's it. Once verified, you can start publishing and earning on KDP. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more publishing tips. Got questions? Drop them into the comments. See you into the next video.